Hey, put it near the microphone.
Hi, I'm doing this one this time.
He's calling my friend Sierra with. I'm not gonna say her last
Be
name.
quiet, be quiet.
She has a droid. Lucky. This is gonna be so funny. We're gonna be taught. Say the same thing I said before.
With Roman.
Roman. You can't laugh.
Alright, then you don't laugh at all.
Okay, I won't laugh.
Come on, be a bitch.
You're a bitch. You're an ass.
Shut up. Alright.
Sit on the ground.
Alright. Shh.
Put it up like right here.
Shut the fuck up.
She's gonna be like, oh.
Hi, this is Todd Burke. I'm so sad. God damn it.
I hate you. I'm sorry. This is Chris. Remember me from Challenge Party?
Oh,
Yeah, sorry. We're making a YouTube video, and we wanted to pretend to be this creepy music teacher named Todd Burke. Sorry about that.
totally his idea.
All right, cool. Thank you. I was just wanting.
I'm sorry.
My
I'm
friend
horrible.
Alex is like horrible at. Yeah, we just wanted to see what you would do. Alex is horrible at this, and I've already prank called this one other kid, and he actually fell for it. So shut up, Alex.
Oh my god, well, you gotta stop. You can't say it and then start laughing.
I know, Alex.
I'm sorry, asshole.
Shut up, Alex. All right. Yeah, we just wanted to let you know. All right. Cool. Thank you. All right.
Make sure to post it on my wall after you make it, alright?
Oh, I definitely will.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, thank